Yo, what's up? On my way to the crofting meet. Oh, look, it's Subi. Hey. See, he messed up your shot, see?
Turn off your headlights, please.
I can get behind that.
Lights, guys, lights. No? Turn them off.
Dude, like, I know this guy. Like, I forgot where I fucking know him from. Oh, look it.
I like screws in a carburetor, baby.
Oh, look it. Parked by himself. Gang.
I got a shot of his lights, you didn't even get it.
You say what?
I got lights of his.
This camera sucks, man. Like, they come out all grainy.
Hey.
Grainy.
What, the pictures?
Yeah.
Why'd you cover the flash?
Hmm?
Why'd you cover the flash?
It's not on flash.
Huh?
It's not on flash.
Doesn't matter. Put it on auto, and then it's gonna detect that it's too dark. But hold the flash bar and take a picture.
It won't. It'll just keep zooming in and zooming out constantly.
I don't know. What's your problem?
What the fuck? I know this car. Fuck, what do I know this fucking car? Yo, son, whose fucking car is this? Like, I know this car, but like, I mean, I've seen this car before, but like, hold up. That shit sounds so nice. Oh, is that a chick driving that? That's not him. Who the hell are you? What the dude is gutted. This is serious shit.
I don't know how to. I'm scared to do this. Like I know how to drive a manual.
This shit smells good.
You what? I know how to drive a manual, but it
smells like candy.
I would be like, get. Hey, only gonna find out till you do it. But then this car's like lower than my feet.
Oh yeah, it is.
So if he's gonna open this, I know you good. That means that much is light.
Oh shit!
This is not a light.
Fuck!
It's not a light. This is a speed bump. Go around it. Shit.
I see this Charger like all the time. Who is this? Oh, they're coming.
They late as shit.
Cause it was like another meetup in Frederick. No, it was Cause they probably coming from like that other meetup in Frederick, and then there's like 2 in like Virginia.
Oh, there's actually other shit? There's other shit going on?
There's like a Sonic meet in Frederick.
Damn!
And 2 in Virginia.
All of these fuckers I race.
I know, I just see this car all the time. That's all I know.
I'm talking about one of these Chargers. I raced one of them.
You think so? You know so?
One of the RT. I raced an RT the other night. And left his ass in the dust.
Yeah, I need to get my 5-pin one, right?
I want her to look over here. Yo, I guess we going to the spot, I don't know. But I'm sorry, like I can't vlog, it's like so much shit going on. But you can probably hear this shit. But oh shit, what the fucking shit? Hold up. Let me get some tire shine on my shit. Yo, hey, tire shine over here.
Yo, that's a poppin'. Oh, you got uneven tread.
$6 at Walmart?
You gotta sleep.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
What the fuck is about to happen? Alright. I can't get it to focus, but the cop showed up, so I couldn't really vlog it. Like, after that shit happened with that dude's car, the cop showed up. But I'm on my way home now, so I'll check y'all then. Yo, just got in the house. That shit was crazy.
So much pain up on my body, got my mind aching. Steady racing, steady pacing, I can't be complacent. Focus on my breathing, candles lit in meditation. Success is what I'm chasing, learn the voice of being patient. Always do your best, but don't you look for confirmation, cause they will put you down before you reach the destination. Before you take off and run away with aviation, keep your goals to yourself, nigga, translation. Master all your talents and always give it your very best. Always know your worth, but don't you settle for nothing less. Take a deep breath for all the times you feeling stressed, and keep in mind, nigga, diamonds made when they pressed. I was feeling so down, lonely and depressed. I picked my head up and kept smiling on this quest. A lesson's not a lesson unless you lessen all that stress. A blessing is a blessing.